Hello and welcome to day one of the 7 Days of Spring collab with Dear Julie and myself. Super excited. Our last collab we did was back in February for Valentine's Day, and now we are welcoming spring with our 7 Days of Spring collab. If you would like to craft along with us and join us, you can find the links below for both of these kits. And you can come along and craft. And we will also have a hashtag so you can follow all of the other makers who are also joining in. The hashtag is hashtag 7 Days of Spring 2021. So you can search for that either in YouTube or Google, and I'm also going to make a playlist so you can catch all the other crafters, and I'll also have them and their YouTube channels in the description if you want to join and go see their videos that way as well. All right, so we have my collage page, and then we have Julie's cards, and then this envelope. What I was thinking is I have some scrapbook paper that I have had in my stash for a long time. And I thought this side would be fun instead of doing my usual just coffee dyed paper. And then this one I coffee dyed a long time ago. It was supposed to go in a journal and it never made it. But I thought this would kind of go along with the pinks in the kit. And I wanted to back these with some of those. And then I also, whoops, that was loud. I also think I'm going to make a journal page, and then I'm going to use this portion kind of as a cutout tuck spot. So that's kind of where I'm headed. So what I need to do is go cut these out, back them, and I'll be right back. I have my pieces all cut out, and I added the scrapbook paper to the back. I've added some coffee dye paper to this one, again, just to kind of make this a little more stable, but I didn't need it as thick with the scrapbook paper. Then I have my journal page here, my coffee dye paper that will be a journal page, and I want to see, I guess I should trim this bottom off. I want to see how big or small I want this pocket to be. First get these edges off. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna start here-ish, and then I'm gonna end up here. And I'm just gonna follow one kind of like where the flowers are. And this will become a tuck spot. Add some ink. And then we can glue this on. I'm just gonna glue the bottom, the left and the bottom. Oops, we have a little piece. Am I out of frame? I might be out of frame. We have a little piece we need to chop off there that got tucked in. We'll just stick that on there. Cute. All right, so then these could go and be tucked right here. All right, I also have this butterfly that I wanted to cut out. I think I forgot. I think my daughter stole my smaller Tim Holtz scissors. I keep finding them in her room. It's kind of like the sewing scissors, you know? You don't use sewing scissors on paper. Yeah. You don't leave my Tim Holtz scissors in your bedroom. Well, actually, apparently she does. Are you crafting along with me? If so, you can leave a comment, or are you just kind of hanging out and watching some of the videos to get ideas? If you are joining us, we would love to see what you're making. You can join Dear Julie Julie's Facebook group and or my Facebook group. That'd be so fun. Let's see, what else can we add? My bucket sitting next to me. We have some, a little bit of lace. We'll add that to the bottom. So I think I'm gonna get some pages made and or the ephemera from the 7 Days of Spring, and then I think I'll make probably a one signature journal the week following. So if you want to come back and join me, make a journal together. And then after that, I want to work on an Easter journal. So that's coming up. Easter is right around the corner, so I need to get busy. That's a lot of lace. Do I not want that on the corner, on the edge? I don't, maybe we'll go this way. Or is that too much? I feel like that's a lot. I might change my mind. Let's see what else we can do instead. But I have glue. I don't know. I don't. Put this. I don't know about that either. I don't know. I like it on the bottom. I don't know. All right, we're gonna let that kind of dry and I'll come back to it. But let's take a look at these. I think these cards, I think we'll just tuck in our pocket. And then this one, how about we let's add some to the top. Oops, I need a little more. There we go. I'm just gonna tuck that in. And then we have these. I think I'm gonna save these maybe for the other side. So let's see. Do we want to do the same thing on the other side? I think. We have a timer going off downstairs. Maybe I'll do that. Let's add some glue. Might just be a tuck on the top. Fold it in half. We could make it a paper clip. No, I'm just going to do that. Put some glue. Stick it on here. And then these two can tuck right under there. All right. And I also wanted this little oval. And then I think maybe a small flower. That's what's fun about these collage sheets. You can either use them complete as a journal page, or you can kind of cut out the bits and pieces. It's kind of fun. I'll fussy cut this really quick. I think he is going to go over here, and then I think this oval is going to go over here. All right, so let's tie these two together. So I think we'll add some of the lace here on the top. This right on the front, and let's tuck in. Oh, and I need to glue on my butterfly. Here we go. Oops. Now, oh, and we also have that, yeah, which has some acetate stuck to the book page. That's funny. Let's put some of this on the top, or actually, let's put it on the bottom. Okay, and then we have, this might be too heavy, huh? Could do this. Maybe stick these. No, that's probably better. All right, so we have day one. We have a little tuck spot from the collage sheet, and a tuck spot up here, and our journaling cards. Super fun. Okay. Again, let me know if you're joining us. And you can join the Facebook group. Check out our Etsy shop if you're interested in the kits. And have a wonderfully crafty day. All right, bye-bye.